welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video first time, my name is Meena Dhesi and today I'm doing viral TikTok trend ombre under eyes makeup. Maybe I'm the last one trying these techniques. Still, I'm very excited to do this ombre under eyes techniques. I want to see it really work on the black under eyes, fully covered or not. So guys, without delay time, let's begin. So guys, normally we follow the lots of steps to cover up black circle eyes. Like we use correctors, concealers, lighter concealers, darker concealers to cover up. So when I see the TikTok ombre under eyes techniques, it looks so easy and it looks cover all black circle eyes very easily, and it's supposed to give you brighten eyes as well same time. So first I'm going to apply moisturizing from Elf Skin Holy Hydration Face Cream. Then I'm going to apply primer from Elf with the hyaluronic acid. This primer stick on the skin and give you glow and long-lasting makeup. Next, I'm going to apply eye serum from Clinique to keep eyes hydrating and help to reduce black circle eyes. This is very amazing product, guys. Same times it give you cooling effects as well. Next, I'm going to apply foundation. Foundation I'm applying from the NYX Born to Glow. So guys, this is the best foundation if you got dry skin. I'm going to apply with my finger. I'm going to blend out with a foundation brush. I have got very cute foundation application brush. It's come with the foundation Kiko Milano. To leave the eye area, then just apply from only cheek here. According to techniques, they say apply the first brighten concealer. Brighten concealer I'm using from Jacqueline. I'm going to apply. Second concealer I'm using from Maybelline Fit Me. This is my Skin Match Concealer 30. So light blush I'm using from Look Me Liquid Blush Collection shade 01. Then they say dark blush. Dark blush I'm using from Aridin Liquid Blush 03. Just going to apply a corner of her eyes, only dot. Like this. So applied lighter concealer, match to skin concealer, light blush and dark blush. Then I'm going to leave 2 minutes to become tacky, to give you full coverage. If you leave it, if you immediately blend out, sometimes it not give you coverage. So next I'm going to apply contour from NYX. I'm just going to apply my cheekbone, forehead and jawline. Then I'm going to blend out with a sponge. Next, I'm taking a little bit fluffy brush. Then I'm going to start blending. I'm going to start blending from the corner from lighter concealer. I'm quite surprised. So it's blend out very smoothly and it's covered my black circle eyes as well. So guys, these techniques work very well. So I'm going to let it dry few minutes before I apply the loose translucent powder. Time being, I'm going to do my eyebrow. Next, I'm going to apply this translucent from Julie Star. Then slightly I'm going to apply. So I'm taking a little bit in my hand. Then I'm going to dust out excess amount. Then just going to apply a little bit. So I done my eye makeup off the camera. You can see a little bit blush here, little pink, but not much. You can't see too much. So I'm going to add little bit blush, powder blush. So I'm taking very light pink color. So guys, this is my final look. So this ombre under eye techniques is really work on my skin. You can see it's no crease. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then everyone, take care. Bye bye.